Hey guys, I'm just filming this. Looks like a blue jay. I'm sorry if the camera is really wobbly, but look, there's a blue jay. Oh, there he goes. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, there's two of them. 1, 2. Kendall, there's 2 blue jays. See guys, there's 2 blue jays. I've only seen a couple of blue jays in my life. I do have a blue jay feather. Where did he go? Oh, he's here. Let's try and find him. I'm sorry, guys. See, there's one. There's number 2. So cute. I just had to film these birds for you guys. Okay, bye. Blue jays. Bye, guys. I hope you saw the other video.